When to use 4x4 wheel spacers on your 2025 iCAR. 4x4 wheel spacers are used to increase the distance between the wheel hub and the other edge of the wheel, to improve appearance, to enhance handling and performance, to feature larger wheels or tires on your 2025 iCAR, to avoid rubbing or clearance issues with your wheels or tires. The appearance of your 2025 iCAR is a matter of personal preference and taste, but many people agree that 4x4 wheel spacers can improve the look of your 2025 iCAR by changing its stance and proportions. Wheel spacers can make your wheels more flush with the fenders, creating a more aggressive and sporty look. They can also make your wheels more visible and noticeable, highlighting their design and style. The handling and performance of your 2025 iCAR are affected by various factors, such as your suspension system, steering system, brake system. 4x4 wheel spacers can affect these factors by changing the geometry and dynamics of your 2025 iCAR, increasing the clearance of your wheels or tires. The clearance of your wheels and tires is the amount of space that allows them to move freely without rubbing against your fenders or other parts of your 2025 iCAR. You need to have enough clearance for your wheels or tires to accommodate the suspension travel, steering angle, tire flex, and load variations. 4x4 wheel spacers can increase the clearance of your wheels or tires by pushing them upwards, away from the inner edge of your fenders, creating the offset of your wheels or tires. The offset of your wheels or tires is the distance between the center line of the wheels or tires and the mounting surface of the hub. 4x4 wheel spacers can create the offset of your wheels or tires by changing their position relatively to the hub. In addition, BONOSS FT Cooling 2024 iCAR wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation screws to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer while it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS FT Cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.